and interim officials, and we've not finalized. The Azimio coalition is about to have a meeting to agree on some of these members. The same thing that the UDA, the Kenya Kwanza side is doing, so that we can be able to do as we've always done previously, as we've done today with the CPA. So, Honorable Speaker, we would request that you stand down on that list that you've read until the KYPA team is able to meet and discuss and present to you the leadership of KYPA. I believe that's the issue that the Azimio is kindly requesting, that allow us to do that. And I know even the interim chair, because he's interim, we've not confirmed him, Gitomga Mogonji on that side, kindly allow, as a chair, you will lead the entire team. Allow KYPA to present its members so that you can present a list that we have agreed upon as KYPA members. That's all we're asking for, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Honorable members. Give me a drink for Babu, Owino. Honorable Babu Owino, I will read for you standing order number 107 and 107A. If a member commits an act of disorderly conduct or creates disorder, or knowingly raises a false point of order, or unnecessarily interrupts proceedings, the Speaker may call a member whose conduct is disorderly to order that I caution the member, which I've cautioned you, or order the member to withdraw from the precincts of the Assembly for a maximum of 4 days. Yeah, please, Sergeant at Arms. Yes. So you, Sergeant at Arms, can you escort him out? Escort him out. Yeah. So you do not come to the precincts of Parliament for 4 days. Please take him out, Sergeant at Arms. Escort him, please. Honorable Kamket, allow him to go. I think on the point of order that you raised, Honorable Member, about the KYPA, because this is a statement of the Speaker, what you can do is write to the Speaker. Then the Speaker will be able to come and rule on it here at the House. Thank you. Yes, Honorable Wandai?
Thank you, Madam Speaker. You know, I've been sitting here watching in consternation the unfolding scenario. But I think it behoves us as a House, of course, to be a little bit